Hi all,
Okay,
welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I'm inviting to Harsh, and Harsh will be sharing some amazing journey how he got a job and what are the interview questions are getting. So Harsh, I'm eagerly waiting to your journey.
okay. Hi, my name is Harsh. I have joined the vision board on 14th February 2026. In my first day, the David told me that prepare the questions and attend the regular classes and done some assignments regularly. So on the way, I have got access from the previous batch also. So I have watched all the Davis recording for PySpark, Databricks, and Fabric and ADF. So these help me a lot in my current interview preparation. So this is my journey, and in my I have done around 2 to 3 interviews in my current recent interviews. In my
Okay.
current experience, I said they asked like Spark optimization, then
Mm-hmm.
Databricks optimization techniques. Then they have asked some queries based on SQL, like second highest salary. Then with the help of PySpark and SQL, with the help of dense rank and different techniques, with the help of SQL functions. And they have also asked the Photon engine with in the Databricks we can use.
Database. Okay. Real time question, right? They want to know about your work or not, right? Okay.
They have asked my project uh, scenario, like project architecture, like how your project actually worked in real life, like what type of data you have used in your real life, like Parquet and JSON and Delta tables and all. And also they have asked some real scenario based question on ADF, like how you schedule pipeline, how you trigger pipeline, and have you uh, uh, like debugging the error in the ADF and also PySpark jobs, and how you manage the clusters and all. And they have also asked about how you deploy your Databricks notebook in the real-time environment, like dev, test, and prod. And also they have asked regarding some delta table optimization techniques in like
Okay.
ZODA and different types of optimization in delta tables, and
Mm-hmm.
different types of question in partitions also, like repartition and police, because
Okay.
they have huge amount of data, so they have asked regarding partitions, real-time scenario-based questions. So this question asked
Okay.
in my
Normally, how many rounds are there, Harsh?
in TCS there is a two round. First one is a
Two
AI
rounds.
chatbot, which is very bot called AI platform by on the TCS. So
Okay.
in that they have given my resume, and based on my
Ah,
resume they have asked some real time scenario question, as well as they give me two question of first one is for SQL query, and second one is for
okay.
PySpark hands-on query based on
Uh-huh.
real time. Yes, and the second
Hmm.
interview is for regarding manager and project regarding interview in
Same day, right?
TCS.
Same day, right,
No,
Harsh?
it's around 1 week. Yes, after 1 week,
One day.
I got selected for second round.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
uh-huh. And I think like in the gap also, how you tell them, because these days people are asking me, they have a 5 year, 4 years of gap or 2 years of gap, 1 year of gap. So how you can genuinely tell, like, this is the reason I'm
Uh,
just quit the job,
yes,
now I am
yes,
available.
yes. I put my papers on like in the month of November, because of 90 days of period. They have not chosen 90 days of waiting.
Hmm.
So first of all, I take a risk and put down papers.
Okay.
Then I'm actively looking for a job. So firstly, I got your course regarding on social media platform like LinkedIn and Instagram. So I joined
Mhm.
on your webinar on the 12th Feb, and I joined at same day, purchased on your course, and then
Uh-huh.
after I preparing for my interview, and in before I have done some hands-on on PySpark by myself, and
Okay.
this helped me a lot. And your
Mhm.
Databricks and SQL help me a lot to crack real time SQL queries on interview basis. So this
Okay.
helped me.
And I think you already put the paper, right, Harsh? You already put the paper. That is the reason. These
Yes,
days, 90 days of notice period, people are
yes,
tactile actually. right?
Yes.
If they need immediate joiners, everyone need
Yes.
immediate joiners.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
And
okay.
tell me, Harsh.
Okay, so I convince them by like I'm currently improving myself, and I tell
Mm-hmm.
them like currently in my previous organization I am not utilizing my proper skill set. So I put down papers, and then I move to looking for next opportunity in my career.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. That is really good actually, because if you're working in an older technology, that's no use for the longer time. So we need to be upskilled to the latest technology. We want to work on that one because every year new skills are coming. So
Yes.
definitely it will be good, Harsh, I would say. I think whatever the thoughts also, and one more thing, finally, any kind of a like a messages or like an whatever the things the people are making a transition or people are making like an attending interviews. Do you want to share any kind of a motivation to them?
I give motivation like they need to prepare. I recommend your course firstly because your project
Harsh?
recording is helpful for me because in my interview they have asked the project architecture, so I have explained them as well as in manner which you have told in your our recent classes.
Okay,
So it
that is
is
good.
very helpful for me. So I tell the newcomers to please attend your daily classes and doubt
Ash, one
session.
more thing. Rather than a course, like an you also put effort because we can understand as a
Yes,
mentor, everyone is telling about every day you are consistently putting the effort, like and asking the question. That is also the part of the journey. One course
yes.
will not enough to getting the like an any kind of an offer. So you also put the effort. That is the one thing. We
Also
are
put an
also
efforts.
helping exactly. How many hours every day you are putting, Harsh, when you preparing time?
Because at that time I am not working, so I doing 6 to 8 hours on Databricks side majorly.
Oh,
Databricks and
oh.
Spark is my main focus because these are the latest technology we
Hmm.
currently in demand in market. So
Yes, yes.
in my current I joined TCS, so my current role is Databricks developer. So Databricks is
Mhm.
really helped me like
To getting like a job, right? Okay.
yes.
Because in the initial days, so I am also telling to the people you want to focus about data because data is booming, really booming,
Yes.
and a lot of openings are there.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, thanks, Harsh. Thanks for your time. And we can see in our next session standard. Okay. I'm also inviting for the next sessions also.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Devi.
Harsh. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.